I read Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and that just really spoke to me. I'd been thinking about real estate investing for probably about 6 years, but really I'd done very little about it other than talk yak about, yeah, I want to own a rental property one day. And so I was starting to get sick of listening to myself saying that I was going to do it someday. So I read the book and I took his principle of his condo in Honolulu, where basically he was underwater each month. He had, his mortgage, taxes, condo fees, and I can't remember the exact numbers, but let's just say that they were $1,500 a month at the time. But his rent he was getting was $1,200, so he's underwater by $300 a month. So I took that basic principle and started looking for homes like most of us do. Started looking on MLS, maybe did a little bit of driving around in the area looking for MLS signs. Long story short on that one, we picked up our first property probably within 2 months, ran the basic numbers in terms of what it was going to cost me to run the place. And I did my research, my due diligence on what rents were going in that area for a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath house. So doing that math, I figured, okay, I can pick up this house and I think it's going to work. So my wife and I agreed to do that together. She took a little bit of convincing, but I convinced her, and kind of the rest is history on that. But so we picked up that house and did very well. I did some minor rentals, and I was hooked. I absolutely loved it. Now it's like, okay, can we do this again, right? After I kind of got that settled. So I think, we did the rentals, and as we're doing rentals, I was showing it to people, and, I think I had 3 applicants, maybe only 2, but one of them really stood out to me, especially when I met them and saw their application, and so got them in there, and it was cash flowing from day one. So from there, it's just like, I got hooked. Now I'm starting to, my eyes are open to, ooh, what else could I buy? Not that I really knew how to do it yet, because I was just still figuring out this basic form. And so over the next couple of years, I ended up picking up 2 more duplexes. So I'm qualifying for traditional mortgages at this point. And I just loved it.